only because you're making them more addicted to sugar. You want to help your household as a collective to where everyone is starting to see small changes and everyone is starting to lose weight. Stay away from these kind of foods, okay? Because it's only going to make them more hungry. Instead, just get up and fix them something to eat. Now, you can have it every now and then because y'all saw my video when I had the pancake. But the thing is, I ain't had a pancake in like, what, since February? So that's the difference. I don't eat that stuff every day.